What's going on, YouTube? So, today I'm gonna do a video that's a re-upload of a video that I did previously. It's a sound demo on the speakers and the stereo system of a 2009 Chevy Silverado 1500 LT. Here's the door speaker. There's another one over there. I know it's kind of grainy, but you get the idea. It's a speaker. And then over here, you have looks like a tweeter in the A-pillar. Same over here. In the back, you have another speaker. And then over here on the other side, you have, and it's all fading in here, frick's sakes. Yeah, we got another speaker over there. So it's a 6-speaker system. And since I'm getting pissed on with rain, I'm going to get in here. Close the door. Fuck, why isn't it closing? Freaking truck. Anyway. Gonna... Oh, I friggin' hate this song. Anyway, here's the 6-speaker audio system. You have your info here, saying it's not info. But as you can see, the RDS system shows you your clock and the band, and then here's your different presets. You get the idea. Favorites, which kind of just switches back and forth. Your clock set button, hours, minutes, month, date, year, and this hour switches between, and then this is where you can switch between 12 and 24 hour. My friend Mary, aka Deans, has a Cobalt same year as this vehicle, which is a 2009, and it disappeared, frig sakes. You can switch between 12 and 24. So when it goes to like 1 o'clock, it'll show like 13:38 or something like that, which is really cool. And it switches between month, date, and date, year. In fact, my friend Mary has it set up as like the military time, where it's 24-hour. So here's your setup menu with favorites, speed compensated volume, auto page text information, whatever that means, and then back category, which is an XM only feature. This truck doesn't come with XM. Eject, CD aux, scan or seek, or it switches to channels, volume off, seek and seek back, and then switching between AM and FM. So I'm going to plug in the iPod and show you how that works. Here's how the iPod sounds. And then something else I forgot to show you, the bass control, mid-range, treble, balance, fader, and back. Here's how it sounds outside, and I'm getting pissed on with rain for frig's sakes. So I'm gonna go put the window up and get inside because it's gonna ding like a son of a bitch. So here's how it sounds with the iPod. So here's a CD, and I just grabbed a random CD. I'm fully aware that it is Christmas music, and I hate this song too, but you know, here's what I'm gonna, you know, so it's the way she goes. So I hope you all enjoyed this tour of this stereo system in the Chevy Silverado 1500 LT. Thank you all for watching, and have a good one. Peace out.
Hey.